Here we have a rare deal for you. This is our own CompAir C76. This is a 2020 model and has been beside our blasting room since the beginning. This is our own machine, we've serviced this, we've gone through it. As you can see, the canopy is absolutely immaculate. As this hasn't seen any road mileage at all, the canopy the whole way around is absolutely perfect. Doesn't even need tires. Here, if you open up the machine, you can see she's fully spec'd. So she has an air dryer built in, so it's perfect for any application, be it blasting or pumping out slurry lines, anything at all. As you can see, an absolutely immaculate Yanmar engine. So this machine has 2,100 and I believe we'll get it up here, 2,173 hours. If you're interested in this machine, you can give us a call on 057 913 7929 or email sales@appliedpi.com.